So this is our model XJ3100. As you can see over here on the top, all the display is here. So this is power, auto, speed. There are 3 fan speeds. There's a sleep mode, there's a timer mode, and there's a function mode to switch on and off the ionizer and UV. Now if we open this machine, so this front cover comes out and you can see that this is the pre-filter that we were talking about. So this is a 2-in-1 pre-filter, sir. So there is a metallic mesh and there is a fiber mesh inside. So this is a 100% washable filter which is going to trap all heavy as well as small fine dust particles. So this is our HEPA filter, sir. Now you can see the strength of this product as compared to the Sharp one when you see the video next. So this is the HEPA filter that we are giving you in our machine. It's a 0.3 micron H13 HEPA MERV 17 standard. This is our third filter, sir. It's a combination filter. As you can see, there are charcoal as well as these white micro sieve absorption filters. So this is the live charcoal. On the back side we have the photocatalyst here, and this is the UV, sir. So UV is basically responsible to activate this photocatalyst, which handles the toxic gases as well as decomposes all the virus and bacteria caught on this HEPA, sir. So this entire set of 3 filters will get changed after a period of 11 months or so in Delhi conditions and will cost you around 2250 rupees. Then you can see that there is a fan motor which is basically sucking the air inside, and then the air is released out from the top over here. Now this is the complete flow of air. So it's going in from the front and flowing out from the top. On the top side there is the ionizer, sir, which is here. As you can see, these brushes here, yeah, it's the same concept that other companies might call it as plasma cluster, somebody will call it Vita ions, but the basic fundamental of negative ions is that it is essential for your body because your body is requiring ionization for its immunity. So that's about it, sir. Hi, so this is our new product. It's the laser PM 2.5 detector, and this is where we turn it on. So we long press this blue button and it powers on. As you can see, it is sensing some values over here. And to show you a small demonstration, we have a small matchbox. So we light up a matchstick, and as you can see, a little bit of smoke of just one matchstick has resulted in a serious pollution in terms of the PM 2.5 meter detecting very high values. And as we power on the air purifier, and you can see that this is the reading, and we take it nearer to the vent, and you see that the reading on the meter is going down very fast. It's gone to close to 6. Wow. So in absolutely no time it has resulted into a very low value, and this is exceptional, and you can judge your air quality at any given point of time at any area, 0. So this is how the air purifier is working, and this is what the